Hello everyone, welcome back to Lavanya Tech Vlogs. Today we are going to learn about dictionary. Yesterday and previous classes we learned about list, tuple. Okay, now let us go with dictionary. Now what is this dictionary? We all know when we find about one variable, we get that result. In the same way, here also it is like key value and pair. Key value pair in the form of data. It is also an ordered list and but do not support the indexing. Data can be accessed using keys and values. Now it is sequence ordered. This also is even sequence order. Now when you take to the list, it is in sequence order like 0, 1, 2. Yes, but here it does not support that type of indexing. Now first of all, let us know what is this dictionary and start creating a dictionary. And as you have seen, list. List is like square brackets and tuple is like curves. And now coming to dictionary, it is like flower brackets. Okay, let us start entering. Okay, now I am going to type dictionary. Okay, equal to, and I am going to give flower brackets. Okay, now I want to know whether this is print type of dict. Okay, now whether we'll check what class it is, what type of class it is, we'll check. See, it is dictionary. As you have seen, remaining it is list tuple, and you can find that this is dictionary. Now let us remove this. Now whatever you are writing, now I am taking fruits as my dictionary and I am going with flower symbols. Now here I am going to mention key value pairs. What is the meaning of key value pairs? Now if I am going to write here like apple, I want to write here like apple. Then I have to assign with a colon and give the value of it like 20. Okay, now with the help of comma I am going to write the one more fruit. Okay, now here I can write like banana. Now I same thing, give a colon and mention the value of the fruit. Now next go with cherry. Okay, now let us print this 50. Okay, now I am asking to print fruits. Print fruits. Invalid syntax. Did you observe why we have got invalid syntax? It's nothing but here we have to mention fruits equal to. That's it. Fruits equal to apple and key and value, key and value, key and value. As you have seen, you have got all the keys and values. Yes. Yes. As you have seen, you have got all the keys and values inside this. Now we go with the zip method. What is this zip method? I will show you what is this zip method. Now in the same way I am going to write name equal to, with the help of list I am going to write same like mango. I am going to write same like mango, and coming I am going to write all the keys now, just only the keys like blackberry. Let me write blackberry. And as I said, the string should be always mentioned in double quotes or single quotes. Okay, now two values enough. Now I am going to write the prices of fruits. Okay, prices. Let me go with prices. Now I am going to write like 80 comma 90, and as it is an integer, now no need the strings for this. Now let us take now fruits. Now let me write fruits equal to, now I am calling the dictionary. I am asking to take the dictionary and I am zipping it. Zip. And next let me call it with, call the variables name comma prices. Okay, now let us print fruits. See, mango 80, blackberry 90. Now let us check the length of fruits in both the places. Okay, now I have called this with curly brackets. Now let me know here, print length of fruits. Okay, this is going to give or not, let us check. Print length of fruits. Yes, the length of fruit is apple, banana, cherry, only 3. So it is given as length of fruits is 3. And let us check here what is the length of fruits again. Length of fruits is 2 because only mango and blackberry. Now, okay. Now there is another method called as get method. There is another method called as get method. Now let us go with this get method. Now I want to know only the value of apple. Okay, I want to know only the apple of apple. So here I am going to know only the value of apple. Okay, for that what should I do? I am going to just take this now. Okay, now I am going to paste it here. I want to know only values of this. Okay, now let me know values of only this. Now I am going to ask print okay, first of all I have to ask like fruits dot get, let me call apple, fruits dot get apple. I want to know only the value of apple. Now I am asking print fruits. See, apple 20, banana 40, cherry. Okay, it is giving now all the, it is giving me all values of, but not fruits dot get apple print. Otherwise let me give, ask another method, print fruits dot get apple. Let me give print okay, let me ask this, print fruits dot get apple. See, the value of apple is 20. As you have seen, it has given only the value of apple. Now this apple, now same this apple I want to give in place of apple. Okay, in the place of apple I want to ask any other fruit which is not present in that list. Okay, in that dictionary. Now let me go with what is the fruit? Guava. Let me go with guava. Okay, now I am asking to print fruits dot get guava. None. That means nothing is there. Now instead of none, if I want to give that like not available, I want to write it as not available. Okay. See, when I'm asking for guava, now it is saying me fruits dot get not available. Either I can give like 0 also, the value called 0. See. Okay. Now let us go with another method. Now let me go with, now I want to add, for example here apple is it. So let me go with the apple first. I will say you that is called as update method, using update. Okay, let us use the update. Let me use update. Okay, now let us go with the update. Now I am going to add some new fruits. Okay, like new equal to, let me go with new equal to, I want to give here some new fruits. For that I am taking the dictionary again, and I am mentioning inside this dictionary like mango, like mango 50, and let me mention one more like comma, let me keep here comma, and mention like one more, that is cherry or fruits is having apple, banana, cherry, and let me take now one more fruit like pineapple. Pineapple, let me give it 60. Okay, now I want to combine the new fruits into the fruits. So what to do? Now let us go with print fruits dot new. That means let us update now. Otherwise, let us update in this way. Fruits dot update new. Okay. This is a function fruits dot update new. And let me go with this came like a comma, and let me go with the fruits dot update new, and let me go and print fruits. Let me go and print fruits now. See, before we are having only apple, banana, and cherry. Now apple 20, banana 40, cherry 50, mango for 50, and pineapple 60. And this is how we are updated our fruits. Now one more thing. I want to make this big size apple in now just let me go with the fruits. Okay, in this fruits, now let me go with apple. Now let me go with apple. Now here apple equal to, I am giving small size of apple, smaller apple. I want to set it for, I want to give the price list 20. Okay, comma, some big size apple. I want to make it around 40. Okay, now I am closing the dictionary. I am just fruits equal to apple. Now I am going to print fruits. Okay, print fruits, and let us check. See, apple small 20, big is 40. In this way also we can make our fruits values like key values. Now let us go for a different method. Like now I want to know only like yes, we have completed updating fruits dot update new, like this we completed. Now let us go for pop item. Okay, zip also completed. We understood about the zip method, get method, and update method. Now let us go for accessing data in dictionary. Accessing data in dictionary is nothing but like in the same way print fruits apple, only knowing the values fruits apple. Okay, this is how we are accessing. Now when I run with apple and terminated string, okay, that means only one string I have given. Okay, small 20 and big, only calling only the single values. That is an accessing data. We can access all the data, we can access only one data. If I ask for print fruits, everything will come out. In the same way, now let us go for deleting from a dictionary. Okay, how to delete from a dictionary, and next let us go with pop. What is the difference between delete and pop? Okay, now as you have seen, updated has been completed. Now let me go with pop, delete, pop items. It is not like item, it is like items, pop items. Okay, now these are called as pop items. It's like a works like a function. Now I am going to ask. Okay, now let us go with pop fruits dot pop banana. I am going to ask to pop one item. Okay, so then it is going, then I am going to ask print fruits now. I'm going to ask print fruits. Let us check. Now let us check. Fruits. Okay. Uh, Print. It is given something mistake. Let me check once. Fruits dot pop banana. I asked you pop banana. Next, fruits dot. Let me give it as print fruits. Yes, print fruits. We are correct. Fruits dot pop banana. It should remove banana from the list. Okay. Oh, sorry. That means I have given here. I should give ask here for variable. Apple. See, in this list there is no banana. Now let us go. This is that a particular key I have removed. But now let me go and ask fruits dot pop items or item, one item. This method goes and removes one item from the last. Print. Let me go and ask print fruits. Okay. Now I am going and asking print fruits. Here fruits fruits dot pop item. Okay, this is going to remove one last item. This is how the deletion works. See, apple, small, cherry, mango. Look, the pineapple has been deleted. Before banana, now pineapple. That's how these pop items deletes from the list. We can delete from the list. Now let us go with one more method of iteration. Iterating. What is iterating? Let us go with this iteration. Let us go with iterating. Whether I can iterate among the fruits, we'll check. Okay. For I in, let me go for I in fruits. Okay, let me give colon as it is a function, as is a condition for I in fruits. Now let me ask print I. Now let me ask to print I. Okay. Okay. Apple, banana, cherry, mango, pineapple. It has only given the value keys, not the values. Okay. So now let me ask in another method. Print I comma. Let me give another method. Print I comma fruits of I. I am going to ask print I comma fruits of I. Now let us check what it is going to give the result. See, apple small 20, big 40, banana 40, cherry 50, mango, and it has given key values both. And let us go with the another method now. Now I am going to ask like using dictionary item. Okay. Now I am going to ask like for key in the same place for keys comma values for key comma values in fruits. Okay, for key comma values in fruits item dot in fruits dot items. Okay, and this is called as fruits dot item. Now let me go with function and print. Here now I want to print the keys and values. I want to print keys comma values. First of all, let us check it is item or items. 1 minute, because I want to print all items. Okay, it is not item, it is items. Okay, because before previous I want to print only one item, now I want to print all the items in that dictionary, all the key value pairs. Okay, same result, apple, banana, cherry, mango. Now suppose if you want to print only keys, okay, is it possible? Only keys. Yes, apple, banana, mango, cherry. If I want only values, is it possible? Yes. If you want both key values in the fruits items, you can. Only values, you can. Only items, you can. Okay, this is how. Now if I am going with like print fruit dot keys. Okay, now I am going to ask print fruits dot keys. Is it possible? Dictionary keys banana, mango, apple, cherry. Okay, it has given. Now let me remove this and ask. Now let me go back from the dictionary. Print fruits dot keys. Okay. Apple, banana, mango, pineapple. In the same way, print fruits dot values, the function. You can call in any other values methods. This is going to get you the values itself. Okay, and this is how the dictionary works. Thank you.